Hi, my name is Kristen Van Hoekelem with Team 239 in Naples, Florida. Today, we're going to show you what happens at a home inspection. We're inspecting this condo here in Pelican Bay, Naples, and because it's a condo, you're not going to see things like a wind mitigation inspection or a roof inspection, but we're going to take you behind the scenes and you can see firsthand what goes on.
So during the home inspection, like Kristen mentioned, this one was on a condo unit. So they're not climbing on the roof, taking the ladder out, inspecting some of the exterior. But some of the things that you will typically see during the inspection, it really is a from the ground up process. They're going to look for cracks in the floor, foundation issues, plumbing, fixtures, make sure all the electrical is working. They'll be looking at the appliances, any cracks in the ceiling, attic space if there is any, the roof, windows and doors, and even little tiny things like, are the cabinets working properly? Are there any slider tracks missing? The inspector will be paying close attention to the HVAC systems, including the air conditioner, the water heater, and any other systems that are at play there, checking the age, if they're within their recommended life cycle. He'll be looking at anything from open grout joints to roof leaks and anything in between. Really, they try not to leave any stone unturned so that you can feel very comfortable with your purchase. Your investment matters to us, your investment matters to them, and so having peace of mind with everything that's working and potentially not working is a very important part of this process. So as part of this video, I will walk you through just a few portions or segments of that so that you can see the inspector at work, and then Kristen will lead you through the step-by-step process of scheduling the inspection and what that looks like.
I'm going to give you the step-by-step process of scheduling and going through the home inspection process. First things first though, in this crazy seller's market, lots of buyers are waiving their inspections. We will always defer to you as our customer. However, we will never recommend waiving your home inspection. Here's why. There's so many little things that can be uncovered and a lot of little points that you can come back and renegotiate on. For instance, if you're on a standard contract here in the area and you uncover that there's radon in the unit, that is something that the seller has agreed upfront to remediate. Now, the step-by-step process. You're going to go under contract. You will usually have a due diligence period or an inspection period. Typically here, that's 15 days. However, we're seeing that period shortened more and more as we get into this seller's market. So we will go ahead, send you a list of home inspectors that are vetted by us. You're welcome to choose one of those, or if you have somebody that you trust, you're welcome to use them as well. We'll go ahead, put it on our calendar. Myself, Jonathan, or one of our team members will attend that inspection with you. This is also a great opportunity for you to come to the home, measure if you want to, think about where you want your furniture placed, or if you want to change the wall color. If you decide to go with a company like 239 Inspection Services, you'll have a menu of services that you can choose from. I also have a video with the owner of the company, and you'll go through that list and you'll select which inspections you want. For instance, everybody usually gets a whole home inspection. Now, if your home is older than 20 years old, you'll probably want a 4-point inspection as well. You can get some other ancillary services like radon, air quality, or termite. It's all up to you, and I always recommend getting with the inspection company and working through each of those inspections to determine which ones are best for you. At that time, we'll meet the inspector at the property and we will sit with them and go through the whole home inspection. And at the end of the inspection, we will oftentimes sit with the inspector and go through the list. You'll have a defective list and a comment summary list. The defective list is normally those items that are not working as they were intended to, and those are the items that we take a closer look at. Thanks for watching this video on what happens at a home inspection. We hope that you enjoyed the behind the scenes look. It's not every day that you see a home inspection every day. So if you have questions about what you've seen, a home inspection, or you're thinking about making a purchase, feel free to give us a call. We're here to help.